Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover the launch of our brand new Skill Builder course. Our second story will talk about more leaks surrounding the DJI Air 3, and our third story will show you how a drone helped find a missing kayaker. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Surf for Sound Reality is looking for a staff photographer in Salvo, North Carolina. Utah County Government is looking for a seasonal drone pilot in Provo, Utah. The US government is looking for an unmanned aircraft systems operator in Louisville, Texas. In the state of Alabama Personnel Department is looking for an unmanned aerial system operator in Alabama. I also wanted to let you know that we are looking over the June photo and video submissions and will announce a winner by next week. Thank you to everyone for the awesome submissions for this past month. If you want to learn about July's submission theme and prize, stick around till the end. With that said, let's fly in. We just launched a brand new course designed to help drone pilots build and refine their skills. The course is for you if you're a busy person who wants all the information condensed in one location for becoming a better drone pilot, or for anyone with Part 107 certification who doesn't have in-depth experience flying a drone. And if you're wondering what the course offers, here's an overview. The course details where you can fly legally, how to do airspace research and plan flights like a pro, flight exercises that hone your drone piloting skills, techniques to capture breathtaking drone footage, and more. And we are having an introductory sale until July 7th, where you can get the course for only $99. So sign up today and take your drone pilot skills to the next level. Our next story talks about new updates regarding the DJI Air 3 launch that's supposed to be happening very soon. Here's an excerpt from a recent post on the Air 3 leaks. A telephoto lens is the biggest update expected on the Air 3. According to leaks, the Air 3's telephoto lens will be similar to the one that comes with the Mavic 3 Pro. The prediction is that the Air 3 will have either a 1 and 1.3 inch mid telephoto lens with an effective 3x zoom like the Mavic 3 Pro, or a 1/2 inch telephoto lens with an effective 7x zoom. The DJI Air 2S has only one camera, a 1-inch CMOS sensor that shoots stills at 20 megapixels. The Air 3 will reportedly also have a 1-inch sensor, but will include a telephoto lens. That extra lens will add a very small amount of weight to the drone, just about 0.009 pounds or 4 grams. And finally, a 69-year-old man's kayak flipped recently while he was on the Saco River in New Hampshire with his son. The man swam to shore and his son was washed away down the river in a separate kayak. By nightfall, the man still wasn't found. First responders from the Conway Fire Department and New Hampshire Fish and Game were sent to the scene and found the missing man quickly by using a drone equipped with a thermal sensor. The rescue team added that he was cold and wet, but otherwise unharmed. And before we wrap up, I wanted to let all of you know about our July photo and video submission contest. This month, we are focusing on droney shots. A droney is a popular technique in which you start with the drone closely facing you and then slowly fly it back and up to reveal the entire location around you. These can be great photos and videos you can do almost anywhere. The winner for this next month will receive a $50 Amazon gift card, so make sure to submit your best droney photos and videos in the link below. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about our Skill Builder course? And what about the Air 3 launching soon? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.